Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to add someone to a Slack channel. Adding someone to a Slack channel is a straightforward process whether you are using desktop or mobile app. First of all, open up the Slack application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, open up the channel you wish to add someone on. Now, click on Add People. On the next page, write down the email of the person you want to add. After typing down the email, click the Invite button and click on Add at the top right. You can add more members by repeating this step, and once tapping Add, you have successfully sent them invitation to join into your channel. Now, once they accept your invite and joins in, you will then be able to effectively add members to your Slack channels. This can help you enhance collaboration and communication within your team. So that's how you easily add members or people to your Slack channel. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.